Hi guys, we're going to have a first look at a project management software called NewPeer. So I've just done the pretty simple sign up. Quite a few of them usually make you go into email and jump back in, confirm your details. But this one, once you've entered in your email address and password, you jump straight into the app. Really clean interface. Looks like the settings are under here. Not a whole lot to do. Let's start with creating a new project. Alright, so we might call this project new client project, and deadline we're going to say by Saturday. So this looks like it's a public setting for anyone in your company, or a private one if it's just for you. I like that. Next step, which I'm guessing is going to drop down to milestones. Let's add some milestones. First draft. Start date today. We're going to have that completed by the 24th. We'll add that in. Second draft. Let's pretend we're starting at the 24th and ending at 25th. 24th. 25th. Select a correct date for some reason. Which date have we got? Oh, that's right, because we've got it ending the 24th. Alright, we worked out the second draft. Just needed to have a few changes of dates. So that's starting 26th and 27th. We might have this finishing off 27th as well. No, it's not letting me do that. Let's see if I start it any earlier. Interesting, so many correct dates. Okay, having a bit of trouble with the dates, so I'm going to just be sticking with first draft and second draft. Little buggy just in terms of having those notifications coming up and not quite knowing what the reason is. So we've done the milestones. Interesting, you're doing the project, the milestones of what you want to set. So we're typing the first draft. You might just write first paragraph, add that in. Ooh, got that twice. Second paragraph. And final copy written. Okay, so we've done that. Start. Let's have a look. We've gone through naming milestones. Okay. Got the tasks to do. We've got a few things to work on. Pretty interesting that a lot of it is just kind of working your way through it, trying to work out what some of these terms are, what this information, what an icebox is. Looks like I can add team members to collaborate here. Let's see, I can't move these around. I'd just like to have a look and see what things I can do. What views have we got? We've got timeline, we've got feed to have a look at. Hey team, all looking good. Let's see what that does. Okay, so people can comment on that. We can see what's happening with everyone. I'm guessing there's going to be notifications up here. And this just gives you the kind of bucket of where everything gives you an overview of everything going on in terms of your project to complete. Also, we've got an hour countdown. I can adjust myself. It just really looks like I can slide that, doesn't it? Now I'm clicking in here thinking, okay, how do I actually track it? What happens if I click on first paragraph? Let's try this. Something going to come up. Second paragraph. Okay, so we've got this as tasks to do. Let's see if we go back to another page. That'll. No, we've still got this in here. Can create a new project from there. Bit stuck at this place, but this gives you a little bit of a first idea of how to enter in a project in NewPeer, but a bit stuck from here in knowing where do I click. I know I can add new members, but how would I actually get to this task or anything else? But looks interesting. I like how they're pushing the boundaries a bit in terms of the user interface and seeing a project, and it could be interesting having quite a few projects and seeing their different progress as they get going. One last thing we do have, here you go, different, a little bit of help here through WalkMe. Might have to check out WalkMe a little bit later on. And that is it for our first look of NewPeer.